Sipin mo, nasa, para tayo nasa jazz bar sa gitna ng gubat. Ano to off the grid. Kami nag-provide ng electricity here, solar power, alternative power. See? We have a coffee shop, our daily brewed. Palaya Natural Farms, all natural. Our daily brew. So nagpalayang araw everyone, my name is Josh and I'm your barista for our daily brewed. So we are inviting everyone to visit us at Palaya Natural Farm. We have specialty coffees at very affordable price, plus the feel of nature that definitely may enjoy no. Come on. First sir, yung coffee bean natin locally sourced to. So either from Benguet or Baguio. So sigurado talaga tayo na quality yung matitikman yung kape sa amin. And also, it's also part of our principle to help the locals. So that's one of our ways to do it.
And our ambience, nandito tayo sa may bundok, di ba? Nandito tayo sa Santa Ines.
Napapaligiran po tayo ng bundok, ng nature, ng ilog, and everything green. And we are open every Wednesday till Sunday, 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. Come on, let's join us. Very good. That's the handsome barista over there. Handsome barista.